What I have is a Briggs engine here where you go and try to prime it and it does not prime, so it's hard starting. Or starting any repairs, disconnect your spark plug. Obviously you're going to want to check to make sure you have enough fuel in there. Secondly, we're going to go and remove the air filter and the cover here. And we'll look right inside here. There should be a little bit of fuel bubbling up, and it does not do that. So there is a gasket behind this airbox cover here, and we're going to replace that gasket. Sometimes these get overheated and they warp a little bit, so you may have to actually put two gaskets in there to get your priming to work. Okay, I'm going to take a 5/16, or you can use an 8mm, and we'll remove these 3 bolts here and take this airbox cover off. Okay, this is the gasket on the back we're going to remove. Also, now is a good time to take a look at your primer here, your bulb. Make sure it's not cracked or anything, because it's easiest to push a screwdriver in on each side and pop it out when it's off of the machine. So the gasket I'm using is Briggs part number 795629. To ensure the right parts, you want to look at the model number and serial number on the tab on the engine. So there's some little pins that the gasket fits over to help collate where it goes. Got that slipped on, now we'll bolt it on. I'm going to tighten these up just a little bit over snug. Okay, hopefully the camera is picking this up. There's fuel coming out of there now. It'll start way easier. Okay, we'll put our air filter on there. And our air filter housing. Tighten up our screw. One of the things you want to make sure you do is connect your breather hose. That rubber hose on the back side. It's this one right here. And you want to make sure that's connected, otherwise you'll have a little bit of smoke fumes coming out. Now that we're all done, we can reconnect our spark plug.